My name's Louise Short, and this is my studio, which is a chapel in Ceredigion, not far outside of Aberystwyth, and very close to Devil's Bridge. I'm an artist. I've been an artist since I was 18, and I moved to Wales about 12 years ago, and I'm very interested in the relationship between sculpture, photography and wildlife, ecology and the natural environment which surrounds me on this farm. The process for this Eisteddfod submission began with thinking about the tradition in Victorian times of the Grand Tour, and I was kind of interested in this particular insect called a devil's coachman, and this insect is part of the family of rove beetles, and Wales has got a fantastic tradition of roving. So I thought, well, I'm going to make a devil's coach horse, which will go up to Devil's Bridge and pick up all these people that are coming to Wales to explore the countryside and meet people who speak a foreign language, you know. And so I was very interested in that kind of colonialism that happens in Wales from the others from outside, and the romanticism associated with that. But that's also kind of linked with, at the time, the birth of photography. So once I'd built this model of the coach, I thought I'll photograph it with a handmade camera, which is just basically a tin can with a piece of photographic paper in it, and see what kind of results I get. I never know what the outcome might be, but I do start off with often a kind of historical beginning. So I was very interested in this particular project with early naturalist photography, and I thought these things are the birth of a whole new tradition of the way that we picture and image the animal world, and how do we absorb that, and how can we construct fictions around it too. So there's all sorts of things to do with the transference and the journeys that insects are now making due to global warming. So we've got new insects coming into Wales. For example, the stag beetle's been found in South Wales, and it's gradually creeping its way up to Ceredigion.